Want to translate WhatsApp messages with just a few taps? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to translate messages directly in WhatsApp. So, let's get started. First, open the App Store on your phone. Search for WhatsApp and open its app page. If you see an update button, tap on it to install the latest version. Once WhatsApp is updated, open the app. Now, open the chat containing the message you want to translate. Press and hold the message you want to translate. Now, tap on More from the menu. Then, select Translate. Next, choose the language you want to translate the message from and the language you want to translate it into. Once you select the languages, WhatsApp will display the translated version below the original message. This makes it much easier to understand messages written in another language. And that's it. You can now easily translate WhatsApp messages directly from your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.